Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Zwift, found at www.zwifoot.com, offers a unique and immersive indoor cycling experience. It transforms your stationary bike sessions into engaging virtual rides, letting you explore diverse digital worlds and interact with a global community of fellow cyclists. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Zwift caters to all fitness levels. With structured training plans, group rides, and even virtual races, there's something for everyone. The platform seamlessly integrates with a variety of smart trainers and sensors, providing real-time feedback and adjusting resistance based on the virtual terrain. Imagine climbing the Alpe d'Huez from the comfort of your own home, or sprinting for the finish line alongside riders from around the world. Zwift makes it possible. The platform's detailed graphics and realistic physics create an incredibly engaging experience, making indoor training feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Zwift also offers a social element, allowing you to connect with friends, join clubs, and participate in group events, adding a layer of camaraderie and motivation to your workouts. Beyond cycling, Zwift also supports running, offering virtual running routes and training plans. So whether you're a cyclist or a runner looking to enhance your indoor training, Zwift provides a comprehensive and interactive platform to achieve your fitness goals. The website, www.zwifoot.com, is your gateway to this virtual world, providing information on compatible equipment, subscription plans, and upcoming events. So, explore the world of Zwift and take your indoor training to the next level. Discover new routes, challenge yourself, and connect with a vibrant community of fitness enthusiasts. Check out www.zwifoot.com today.